Ever felt like your money is just sitting in a regular savings account, barely earning enough interest to buy a cup of coffee? You're not alone. In a world of high inflation and rising costs, a traditional savings account can feel like a slow, leaky boat. That's why high-yield, direct savings accounts have become so popular. They're essentially giving your money a much-needed raise. By operating online, these direct banks cut down on overhead costs, and guess what? They pass those savings on to you in the form of significantly higher annual percentage yields, or APYs. But with so many options out there, how do you actually go about opening the right popular direct savings account, and what's the secret to making the process smooth? It's simpler than you think. Let's break it down into 4 key steps. Step 1. Do your high-yield homework. Before you click apply, you need to compare. Look beyond just the highest APY. Check for minimum balance requirements to open the account, and more importantly, to earn that top APY. Do they charge monthly maintenance fees? A high fee will quickly eat into your interest, so look for accounts with 0 monthly fees. Finally, confirm they are FDIC insured. This is non-negotiable. It guarantees your money is safe up to the legal limit. Step 2. Gather your digital documents. Since you're opening an account online, everything needs to be ready digitally. You'll need a few essentials: your social security number, a valid government-issued ID like a driver's license, and your current bank's routing and account numbers. This last bit is crucial because you'll need to link your existing checking account to fund your new savings account. Step 3. The Swift Online Application. Direct bank applications are designed to be fast, often taking less than 10 minutes. You'll fill out the usual personal information, create your login credentials, and then review the terms and conditions. Seriously, skim that fee schedule one last time. The final part of this step is linking that external bank account. They'll usually make tiny microdeposits over a day or 2 to confirm you own the external account. Step 4. Fund it and automate it. Once your accounts are linked, make your initial deposit. Remember that minimum requirement you checked in Step 1. Don't stop there. The real power of a direct savings account comes from consistent contributions. Set up an automatic monthly transfer from your linked checking account right away. Even small, regular transfers will add up faster thanks to that high-yield interest compounding over time. Following these 4 steps takes the guesswork out of upgrading your savings. You move from wishing your money would grow to actively watching it happen, all from the comfort of your couch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.